Naresh Garu played your father character, right? So, first time act chestunara?
Yeah, first time acting Naresh sir. The whole thing is so as a father he is very concerned about my love life. So that is the track that we have going.
More takes teskuన్న scenes unnaya ee movie lo?
Chala unnai. There is not a single take scene in this.
Working with Aditya, how does it feel?
See, for a movie like this, when a certain amount of chemistry and romance is needed, so Aditya made sure I was very comfortable. It was very easy to work with him in a film like this especially.
Compared to your previous film, Kumari 21F, is there any similarities to this character?
I can't tell anymore because...
So compared to Raj Tarun and Aditya, who is your favorite hero? And very recently also Allu Arjun told that the Telugu industry is very safest place for women.
I have worked only in the Telugu industry and
if you got a chance to do a woman-centric film, which film you choose? Like which biography you would like to choose?
not biography, but I would want to do something like
Best co-star, best paid ever.
See, obviously I'll say.
Hi viewers, welcome to India Glitz. So, ee roju manto unnaru actress Hebba Patel. So, let's welcome her. Hi, how are you?
Good, thank you.
So, your movie is going to be released 23rd, right? So, how does it feel?
It's very exciting. I'm a little nervous because I have a release after a year. It's been a long gap, so I'm a little nervous.
So, why did you took a long gap compared to your previous film?
My last few films didn't do well. I wanted to be a little more selective about the kind of role I wanted to do. That is why, and plus this movie was supposed to release earlier. It got delayed, it took a little longer than expected. That is why it landed up working out like this.
So, how does you take your failure?
The way you take a success also, you just feel sad about it and then you get over it.
So, compared to this film, so you did a conservative role in this film?
Very.
Yeah. So, tell something about your character.
This film weirdly, like people, because of the title, they expected me to be a very bold girl. Very simple, very innocent and very old school, if I have to use the word. That's the kind of girl I am in the film. Contrary to what you think, that's not what I am in the film.
And Naresh Garu played your father character, right? So, first time act chestunara?
Yeah, first time acting Naresh sir. The whole thing is, I have this whole sequence with him in which he is very confused about where I am going with this guy. So as a father, he is very concerned about my love life. So that is the track that we have going. And he's been very nice to work with, very sweet to work with in fact.
So have you ever tried to dub your own voice in your
I
film?
was supposed to dub for this film, but I think the emotion that you look for, while lip syncing I can manage, but while dubbing it's slightly difficult and I'm still not very confident of giving the right emotion in the voice. That is why I'm not dubbing yet.
And Rao Ramesh garu kuda work chesaru, and Aditya also told that meeru chala atanni Rao Ramesh garto working is too complicated and chepparani tanu chepparu. So meeru previous film ki you worked with him like
He played my father, yeah. See, for me, when I worked with him, in this movie I don't have any scene with him. We are not together even in one shot. But in Nana Nina Boyfriends, it was very easy to work with him. He played my father. And most of our scenes were very emotional. So because he's such a good actor, I think I also did a good job in those things. So it was very easy to work with him.
more takes teskunna scenes unnaya ee movie lo?
Chala unnai. There is not a single take scene in this. My director has never been happy with the first take. He's always expecting more, which is good for me. So yeah, every scene has been retake. Not a single shot in the film I've given on single take.
And compared to songs and music, songs ela unnai?
The songs are very different, I feel. Any love story needs good music. So this movie has very nice songs. The album itself is very nice. And Joy Baru has done a great job. One of my favorites is Prana Brindavanam. That is the song that's like, it's on me and how I start developing feelings for the guy. It's a very nice number.
Elements you connected with that film?
Firstly, it was going to be a non-bubbly, very subtle performance, something that I haven't done previously. Secondly, whatever romance was there, I haven't done a full-fledged love story. This was that. and the whole narration itself was very nice. That's why I agreed to be a part of it.
So, in your opinion of love, is that love making and romance is integral part of love?
Obviously, I don't see love making without love or love without love making. I think they go hand in hand.
And working with Aditya, how does it feel?
See, for a movie like this, when a certain amount of chemistry and romance is needed, you need a co-star who will make you very comfortable. Otherwise, suddenly if I have to have a romantic scene, it will be very weird. So Adit made sure I was very comfortable. It was very easy to work with him in a film like this especially.
So you are more comfortable with working with Adit, right?
I am very comfortable with all my co-stars. Nobody has given me trouble. But in this movie, Adit was very nice to work with.
అండ్ రొమాంటిక్ సీన్స్ చేసేప్పుడు మీ ఇంకా ఎక్కువ టేక్స్ రిపీటెడ్ టేక్స్ పడ్డాయా ఈ మూవీకి?
No, as many retakes as my director wants, we did. That's all.
Have you watched his director's Minugurulu?
No, I haven't seen it. No. I tried looking for it, I didn't get it. So Sir told me he'll give me a CD, he still didn't give it to me.
సో తనతో వర్కింగ్
See, firstly, I never thought I would be able to play this role. It was Sir who forced me to like take it up. For the first 1 week, I was still struggling. But Sir was very patient. That is why I'll give it to him that he brought out, like he made me a better actor. I can just say that.
Compared to your previous film Kumari 21F, is there any similarities to this character?
Not at all. In fact, they are completely opposite. I can't tell anymore because I want you to watch the film.
అండ్ ఇంకా షూటింగ్ అదంతా ఎక్కడ చేశారు? అంతా హైదరాబాద్లో?
Mostly Hyderabad and one brief sequence in Goa, that's all.
రైట్. చాలా మందికి కుమారి 21Fతోనే మిమ్మల్ని అలానే చూస్తారు. లైక్ చాలా
That is one of the major reasons for me to take up this film is because it's very different from not only Kumari, from everything else that I've done. So it's a refreshing change for me also.
సో కంపేర్ టు రాజ్ తరుణ్ అండ్ అదిత్, హూ ఇస్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ హీరో?
Both very different. I like them both. I've done 3 films with Raj. I can't compare that. I've only done 1 film with Adit, so it's a very unfair.
So you're more comfortable than Adit? Can we say like that?
See, I have known Raj longer. I've done 3 films with him, so the comfort level with Raj Taran is also there. But I can't take. This is a very bad question. I can't answer.
సో ఈ గ్యాప్లో ఏం చేశారు? 1 year గ్యాప్ తీసుకున్నారు.
Nothing. I was just chilling at home, figuring out what to do. And not 1 year gap means I was not sitting. We were shooting for this film. It just got delayed.
సో మిస్టర్ తర్వాత ఎంత గ్యాప్ తీసుకున్నారు?
Undergadu came out, Angel came out. Then on technically November mein my last film released. December and I started shooting. So the gap is in the release. I was still working the whole of this year.
సో మూవీ రిలీజ్ డిలే అయినప్పుడు ఆ డిలే మీకు ఏమైనా పెయిన్ అనిపించిందా?
See, no, actually like I spoke to my director. He explained to me why there was a delay and he made sense because he was looking at it commercially. So this is not my decision to make. It's the production decision to make.
అండ్ రావు రమేష్ గారితో మీకేం సీన్స్ లేవా?
I don't have any scenes with him.
ఎక్కువ సీన్స్ అదిత్తోనే ఉన్నాయా?
Mostly Adit and my father. I don't have too many friends or nothing. It's a very limited characters. So most of my scenes were with either my father or with Adit.
కామెడీ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా?
It is very situational comedy, like not forceful comedy, but situationally, like if you look at it, you'll find it funny, but when it's happening, it's not actually funny.
And very recently also Allu Arjun told that the Telugu industry is very safest place for women.
I have worked only in the Telugu industry and I have no complaints. That is, I can only talk from my experience. I have no complaints.
You started your career with Kannada film, right?
Yeah. But Kannada film also I worked with Nanda sir. He's one of the biggest directors there. In fact, whoever I've worked with so far, I've been very comfortable with. I've not had any trouble.
So a lot of debut heroines are coming into Tollywood industry. So meeku competition ga feel avutara?
Last year also they were there. Before that also they were there. So competition is always there. So I just have to be secure about my place.
Competition ni overcome avdaniki what kind of like ela తీసుకుంటారు?
You be more careful about what kind of scripts you're selecting and make sure you're very well turned out. These are the 2 main things that I focus on.
So story narrate చేసిన వెంటనే మీకు చేయగలరు అనుకున్నారు? Are you able to do this film?
No. I always take somebody with me because I'm a very bad judge of story. So if somebody else likes it, then I sit and discuss and then I make my decision because on my own I like every story, which is also not a good thing.
So and ఇది ఓన్లీ 1 day లో జరిగే 8 hours లో జరిగే స్టోరీ?
No, it's a full life, like a span of what happens between these 2 people.
So who is your most romantic hero in Indian cinema?
Salman Khan. Salman Khan.
No Shah Rukh Khan?
I like Salman Khan.
యూ లైక్ సల్మాన్ ఖాన్. ఓకే, బాలీవుడ్లో ట్రై చేశారా? హ్యావ్ యూ గాట్ ఎనీ ఆఫర్స్?
I'm very happy here for now. Later I'll see where it goes.
అండ్ తమిళ్లో ఏమైనా ఫిల్మ్స్ చేశారా?
There are talks, but right now till 23rd I don't have anything else in.
ఓన్లీ ఆఫ్టర్ 23rd యూ జస్ట్ వాంటెడ్ టు సీ. అండ్ చాలా తెలుగు సినిమాలు చేశారు. అండ్ డూ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ ఫేవరెట్ ఆర్ డ్రీమ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ రోల్స్?
No, actually I don't know how to explain it. Like if I have a dream role, I'll restrict it. So let me see what I get.
Like biopics, do you have interested to?
If I get offered, but no, I'm ideally not, because then you have to be the body language and all. There's a lot of hard work, which I'm open to doing, but I don't know if I'll ever be able to do a biopic.
Women-centric films?
Yeah, I love those. Those I don't mind.
If you got a chance to do a women-centric film, which film you choose? Like which biography you would like to choose?
Not biography, but I would want to do something like Size Zero.
Size Zero.
Yeah. I like more relaxed commercial films. Even if it's women-centric, it has to be commercially entertaining.
And dream projects, like evertona co-stars?
Everybody. I want to work with everybody.
You want to work with everybody. And Tamillo inkemayana plans unnaya?
Not yet. I'll see how it goes. I told you, no, till 23rd, nothing. After 23rd, I'll see where.
అండ్ మీరు యాక్ట్ చేసిన ప్రీవియస్ కో స్టార్స్ ఆ డైరెక్టర్స్ నెక్స్ట్ మీకు మళ్ళీ చేయాలనిపించే?
Vianand. Actually, Vianand also, Pratap sir also. I want to work with all of them again. They were all nice.
బెస్ట్ కో స్టార్, బెస్ట్ పైర్ ఎవరు?
See, obviously, I'll say Raj Taran because I've worked with him the most. So, Raj Taran.
రైట్, థ్యాంక్ యూ హెబ్బా అండ్ ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్.
Thank you so much.
రైట్, సో ఇది హెబ్బాతో స్పెషల్ చిట్చా. దిస్ ఈజ్ రమ్య సైనింగ్ ఆఫ్.
Hi India Glitz viewers.
For all the latest movie review,
Interviews,
latest updates,
subscribe IG Telugu.
Please subscribe to IG Telugu.
Please follow IG Telugu.
Please subscribe to IG Telugu.